You kind of become their therapist when they come to their nail appointment. Nail techs keep a lot of secrets. We know a lot of things. I'm Raina. This is a day in the life of a nail technician. Come on in. I have one client today. I'm gonna go ahead and get my implements ready, start wiping down and sanitizing my working area, and get everything ready for her set. Make sure everything is submerged. And I let these soak for 15 to 20 minutes to disinfect all of my implements. A nail technician is someone who is licensed in their state, and they go to beauty school for the manicuring program. They learn everything from sanitation, infections, diseases, nail anatomy, different types of nail services like acrylic, gel. Because in school, you really just learn how to pass the state board, and when you pass that, you're licensed. How are you? Good to see you. You too. My responsibilities as a nail tech is to listen to my clients' wants and needs and their expectations of what design they might want, and to provide them with a safe service that helps their nails grow strong. Retention is very important, so they keep coming back. Make sure your clients wash their hands before the service. At first, I do like a little examination, like look at their nails and just to see if there's like any lifting or how good their retention is. Ooh, pretty. I kind of sketched out a design. Yeah. Is it cute?
Oh, cool.
3 skills that I think a nail technician should have is customer service, patience, and willing to keep on learning. I love being able to express myself with nail art and try new things. You need more continued education to learn the trends, and they're pretty expensive, but you're investing in yourself, so I think it's worth it. My whole prep usually takes about an hour, but we're halfway through. My typical work schedule is Tuesday through Saturday, about 9:30 to 6:30. But honestly, when I get home after settling in, I'm on my phone doing content, answering emails, and I'm working until I go to bed. I don't know what it would be like without social media in the beauty service industry. When I started my Instagram back in 2013-14, it was like a very small community. And I think that I was a part of that nail community in the early days. And there are so many different career paths that you can take. You can work on set, you can work in a salon, be independent, do mobile services, celebrity nails. The first salon that I worked at in LA, I started there doing just regular manicures, gel manicures, and pedicures. I would literally just wait in the back until a walk-in came in. Being independent and having my own suite is my favorite. So there are different salaries that you can make across the nail industry. You can work in a salon and usually they'll pay you hourly, sometimes commission, 50-50 or 60-40. And when you're independent, you can make your own prices from $50 to $70, even $80 an hour. I have an upcoming class this weekend where I'll be teaching a gel brand, how to use it and apply it, and some trendy nail art. Let me do another pose. Hold it up like that. Cute. Love you. Drive careful. I'm gonna go get something to eat, run over to the local nail supply store, and pick me up a few new gel colors. Course, all out of my fave. We'll just go ahead and get this one, and yeah. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Indeed's channel. We'll see you next time. This is a day in the life. Oh, should I do it over? Oh, okay. Okay.